Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see how to solve this one. So a boy was asked to multiply a certain number by 53. He multiplied it by 35 and got his answer less than the correct one by 1206. So find the number to be multiplied. So now let us see how to do this one. So we can consider like the number required number, we can say bx. So now he was asked to multiply a number by 53. So we can consider that number as 53x, but he multiplied by 35 means we will write here minus 35x is 1206. So when we subtract this one, we get 18x is equal to 1206. So x is going to be 1206 by 18. So when you divide this one, let us divide and see 1206 by 18. So 18, if we take, this will be 108. 18 6 is 108. So 126. So 18 7 is 126. So the answer should be 67. So x is 67. So we'll write here hence number to be multiplied is equal to 67. So by this we have completed today's work. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.